Welcome to EduPorm EdTech. You're watching expert chemistry lectures with Abhinav Gaur. In this lecture, we will study about the Arrhenius equation. So, it has been found that for chemical reaction with rise in temperature by 10 degree, the rate constant is nearly doubled. So, we have studied that according to rate law, R is equal to K R to the power X, where the reaction is R gives P and R is the reactant. So in this equation, K is a constant called as rate constant. So whenever we increase the temperature by 10 degrees Celsius, so on increase in temperature by 10 degrees Celsius, the rate constant get doubled. The temperature dependence of the rate constant of chemical reaction can be accurately explained by the equation which was given by Arrhenius and called as the Arrhenius equation. It was first proposed by the Dutch chemist Van 't Hoff, but the Swedish chemist Arrhenius provided its physical justification and the interpretation. So it was proposed by Van 't Hoff, but its interpretation and physical justification was given by Arrhenius. So the equation is called as Arrhenius equation. So in the Arrhenius equation, K, that means rate constant, is equal to A e to the power minus EA upon RT, where A is Arrhenius factor, which is also called as frequency factor. It usually means the frequency at which the molecules, atoms or ions of the reactants are oscillating at their mean position. Okay, this is basically the vibration that they carry. This A is also called as the pre-exponential factor, and it is a constant and its value is specific for a particular reaction. Now, R is the universal gas constant, whereas EA is the activation energy. The concept of activation energy we will discuss in the activated complex theory. The definition of activation energy is the minimum amount of energy required for the formation of intermediate complex that converts into product. Now, the term EA minus EA upon RT, this is also referred as the number of molecules which are colliding, e to the power minus EART. This is also called as the number of molecules which are colliding with sufficient energy. So we will discuss this further in the collision theory. So what is Arrhenius equation? Arrhenius equation is K is equal to A e to the power minus EA upon RT, where A is Arrhenius factor, E is the exponential, and EA minus EA is the activation energy, R is universal gas constant, T is the temperature, usually 298 Kelvin. And what Arrhenius equation states? It states the relationship between temperature and rate constant. And according to this equation, when temperature is increased up to 10 degrees Celsius, the rate constant nearly get doubled. Thank you.